Airmaster produces a whole line of circulation and ventilation products suited for warehouses, general people cooling, and we provide a whole line of accessories, basically anything that you need to move air.
The biggest feature that sets us aside would be the high quality that Airmaster is known for. So you see an Airmaster fan out in the market, most people will choose an Airmaster fan, whether they're a loyal customer of ours or not, and they will go with the Airmaster insignia that they see on the fan, and they know it's high quality, it's long lasting, it's durable, and it keeps you cool. I think we like the hometown feel, small town, small community. You know, we're outside of the big cities, though we're placed in between the big cities of Michigan, Detroit, Chicago, outside of Michigan there. But we just like the small town community, and that's a part of our corporate structure. We're in the assembly area 4 and area 5 at this time. And what we're doing here is the assembly of our cabinet wall fans, which is a specific fan that would go into a wall, which you can see around the bottoms and the tops have the cabinets, and the fan is actually inside of that area. What these two gentlemen are doing is preparing the motor. It could be a one-phase motor, it could be a three-phase motor, and they will wire it correctly, test it, and then assemble it to the fan. And over here is our actual panel fan, which is an exhaust fan or a supply fan, and basically the same assembly as these fans without the panels. So what he'll do is put the propeller on, the shaft, and eventually put the motor on, and again he'll test it for one-phase or three-phase. Everything gets quality tested, make sure the motor works, make sure the propeller's in track, and then gets crated or boxed, and it's out the door. One of the huge marketing tools that we have, specifically in these two areas, is the Made in the USA. So everything here is made in-house from scratch, from start to finish. This section is our prop assembly section. All the propellers, and actually the spider that the propellers are hooked to, which we'll see in just a second, are manufactured here at Airmaster Fan, all made in-house, again, made in America. That's what we like. That's what we market to our customers. So what we're doing here is we're going to match the paddles in order to make a propeller assembly. And the next step is we'll take our spider assembly, which already has a hub staked into it, and we'll rivet the propeller right to the spider assembly. Now the last step in the process is our balancing machine, which will indicate whether it's actually good to go. And on the computer screen here you can see it's a green, yellow, red. Now if it comes up green like it does right here, so one final point, with our new system here we bought just a couple years ago, before we had this we were at about a 95% rework rate, which is where 95% of the propellers were not good first go around and 5% were. That was terrible. Now since we had the new system, we have reversed that to a 95% pass rate and a 5% rework. We want to improve that to 100% of course, but the entire switch to 95% was a heck of an improvement over what we were doing. This section is our welding department. What we have is two separate welding jigs, so we can maximize production, weld at the same time. I'm going to get hit by some welding sparks here. Now what he's doing is he's got the venturi on the jig here, and he begins the welding. So he's going to weld the corners together. The next step will be to put the cross braces on, and then a motor plate, which all gets welded together. You can see the braces are on this one. We got the motor bracket. He's going to put the finishing touches of the weld on it. And if you get close enough, you can see the bead is a real nice bead. It's not sloppy, it's not messy. And again, it maintains our high quality standards at Airmaster Fan.
The future looks really bright here. The Myco company bought out Airmaster, and they've been investing and building the company up.
Biggest thing watching from Airmaster Fan is not just the continuation of the high quality products, but the growth of the company. We've modernized the logo. We're rebranding Airmaster Fan as an opportunity of growth, not just for the employees, potential future employees, but also our product portfolio. We're looking to enhance that as we move towards the future.